Hello everyone, this is STD channel. Make sure to subscribe it. And today I will show you guys how to install other apps and games in your Samsung Dual Messenger. So let's begin. First thing you have to do is download ADB file. Link is in the description below and extract it in your folder and enable the USB debugging in your developer mode. First you have to press more than 7 times your mobile's build number and then developer mode will turn on and you have to enable USB debugger. You connect your phone to your laptop. Here I have only one COC, Clash of Clans games, and first you have to do is go to your advanced feature and dual messenger. First you have to make a clone of any one messenger app. Then and here is my APK file which I want to install. APK file of COC Clash of Clans, and I extracted my ADB file here in C directory. So inside C ADB folder, I'll copy, move APK file inside ADB folder. Type ADB shell list shell pm list users, and here is my dual APK ID user ID, and I'll install here and ADB and install just as username and APK name. Copy whole path.apk extension and paste it. For installing APK, you have to type ADB install ADB install minus user and your user ID 97. Your user ID will be different. Maybe you will get different user ID, so you have to type your user ID. My user ID is 97, so I typed 97. Then your APK name, full name, then press enter. Performing Steam install, so it will take little more time, so don't worry and be patient and wait until it success. It will take little more time, but don't worry, nothing will happen. Your APK will install properly. Here successfully installed. So let's check it in your phone. Let's check it in my phone, and here you can see another COC Clash of Clans is installed in your dual message Samsung dual messenger. So thank you for watching this video guys, and please do like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you all and have a good day.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.